Hey, so I just got these trash bags from Amazon, and these are Hefty. This is part of their Essentials line. These are 13-gallon tall kitchen. I just finished a set of trash bags that I really was not crazy about. And I thought, you know, I really got to try out Hefty and see if these are going to do a better job. Because really, you got to count on your trash bags not to break and not to have holes and that sort of thing. And so anyway, I'm just trying these out to see if this is going to meet my needs. So let's just take a look at them and see how they open up and how they hold up. All right, these are the kind that have the pull string to close around the top here, and right off the bat, I'm liking these definitely more than the ones I had before. So I'm kind of pushing my fist into it and it's stretching. It's not ripping, which is what I want to see, because the other ones I had would just rip holes. And so you can see I'm really able to pull this and I'm not tearing anything, which is really nice. Okay, well, so far so good for me. I hope this was helpful for you. You really need to be able to count on your trash bags. So anyway, have a great day.